Montessori toys enable kids to be more free and self-strong by taking advantage of their normal tendency to do it without anyone's help. When you remove blazing lights and business characters, you welcome youngsters to make unique thoughts and become characteristically propelled to learn new things. Montessori toys are generally produced using normal materials, non-electronic, and cultivate free play, inventiveness, and fixation. An expression that surfaces frequently is unassuming, meaning the toy isn't instructing the youngster with it. Rather, it gives them a potential chance to investigate and explore. They're likewise consistently situated truly, a fundamental that is based on the examination which shows that before the age of 6, kids aren't equipped for arranging dream from what occurs in reality. By doing things like perusing them books about creatures in the wild versus creatures having an outing, it assists them with laying out a protected association with their general surroundings and foster a feeling of creative mind. There's another memorable thing while picking Montessori accommodating toys for your child: toning it down would be best. Rather than loading your little one's den with lots of toys, pick a couple. Zero in on toys that will take care of business and that are fitting for anything formative stage your little one is in right now. Less toys will empower your child to zero in more on the job needing to be done, and there will be less for you to tidy up toward the finish of a drawn-out day. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend best Montessori toys on Amazon. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Auney brand. The new Montessori toy is merged by yellow light, orange light, green light, blue light, red light, power indicator light, traffic light set, gear set, and horn. Designed by unique headlights about car, we believe it will be a well Montessori toy for Toddler 1+. The Toddler Busy Board is designed for babies' sensory exercise, focus improvement, hand-eye coordination, and train of life skills. Just set up 2 AAA batteries by yourself. It will keep your baby quiet and busy by enjoying the little toy with multi-colorful LED lights. Because of the reality of some toddlers' curiosity behavior is too dangerous, the Busy Board is designed the simulation of the plug button not only can satisfy their curiosity, but also can exercise their concentration. This toy uses sanded, polished wood and the soft lighting design that won't hurt a child's hands and eyes. Our sensory toys for autistic children are well constructed, and every of them passes rigorously tested with no burrs or sharp edges. It uses sanded, polished wood and the soft lighting design that won't hurt a child's hands and eyes. This sensory toys for autistic children are well constructed, and every of them passes rigorously tested with no burrs or sharp edges. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the HawHawToys brand. This busy board with 8 different themes is available for toddlers. From the recognition of colors, shapes, letters, numbers, animals, clocks and calendar to the exercise of hands-on abilities such as buttons, buckles, zippers and shoelaces, hand-eye coordination and basic life skills are developed and cultivated. Made of thick and felt cotton, this Montessori toy is skin-friendly and soft, has no odd smell and no hard corners, and is durable. Small objects such as buttons are sewn together tightly with the busy board, so they won't be torn or swallowed by mistake, making them very safe to learn and play. This busy board with handles is designed to be carried and used by your kid in the car or plane, and its lightweight and compact design fits easily into a backpack. It can even come apart so that you can use just individual sheets, making it the best choice for outdoor travel toys for kids. This sensory toy is a practical educational toy that basically contains everything you want or need to learn for your little one, allowing your child to feel the company of their parents and enjoy parent-child time during the learning process. Besides the uniquely designed dinosaur element patterns and 26 animal-shaped English letters, our busy boards have many colors and activities to keep kids busy, perfect for birthday, Children's Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving, New Year gifts to the child. Number 3 in our top is from the GetWill brand. In the process of playing with Montessori toys for 1-year-old, build early recognition of counting, shape, colors cognition. Stacking toys helps children's brain development and hand-eye coordination, exercises children's finger flexibility, promote kids' physical and intellectual development. With preschool learning activities, children can build blocks like Christmas tree, windmill, trolley and so on. Parents can also play with children and teach kids how to build use our blocks for toddlers 1 to 3. promote parent-child interaction and communication. GetWill Wooden Puzzle contains 5 colors and 5 geometric shapes. Interesting shape sorter toys for toddlers 1 to 3 is very good educational toy. Kids will love them. As a parent, you definitely want the best for your children. This wooden toy made of 100% non-toxic natural wood with food-grade water paint, Toddler Puzzles has smooth surface, reinforced pegs and rounded edges, protects hands from scratching, as well as eco-friendly. GetWill Stacking Toys is perfect choice for kids' birthday, Halloween, Christmas gifts. When kids receive wooden blocks, children will love our colorful Montessori toys for 1+-year-old. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the RINEAN brand. This 1-year-old sensory learning toy set includes replaceable lids. Your toddler can plant and harvest wooden carrots, catch cute worms, drop wooden coins or balls, sorting or stacking wooden shapes, and put them in / out of the elastic band game box. Your 6 to 12 months and 1 to 3-year-old will discover that objects that leave their sight are not necessarily gone. As kids grow, they can decide which toy to play with and replace the lids smart themselves. This open cube made of solid wood, all surfaces are well polished and no sharp edges on the wooden box or lids. The large piece toy can minimize choking hazards, painted with water-based paint, durable and fadeless. We have adopted a folding design to greatly reduce the volume of the product, so that parents can take their children to play with this shape sorter toy in any place. Your baby can play relaxed with this safe and reliable box. The educational toys are great for babies 12 to 18 months, 15 months and 1.5-year-old. With repeated use of our box helps developing hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills and problem-solving ability, color and shape recognition and encourage thinking, and enhancing the parent-child relationship. The size of the toy parts is suitable for the hands of infants to hold. Kid can sort or put them according to the color, shape, and position of the holes. This travel-friendly learning toy playset can be brought to grandparents' house to keep 1 to 3 years baby's boy-girl entertained when you visit. It takes just seconds to set up your infant to play with cognitive toys that develop valuable skills while entertaining tiny hands. We also configure a white storage bag for the Montessori toy box, which can store all the toy parts, which is very convenient to carry and not too bulky. The number 1 product is part of the Cerbru brand. 12 PCS colorful spikes matching the holes on the green dinosaur's back, building fine motor skills by taking them out and inserting them in the hole. Great learning baby toys 12 to 18 months. Mix the spikes, sort different colors out, and put them in a row. Bright red, yellow, green and blue colors will always attract baby's eyes. The holes on the back mark with numbers, enhancing their awareness of numbers and colors. Right size and notch design spikes are suitable for the little fingers to hold, perfect to exercise grasping and hand strength. Suitable size also protects baby from choking hazards. All parts comply with international safety standards, non-toxic, lead-free and BPA-free. What comes the best is Dinosaur's greenback is removable for easy storage. All spikes can be stored inside that, keeping the home tidy, and the scattered spikes won't lose after playing. The mouth is flexible to open or close freely to catch toddlers' attention. It's a good Halloween, Christmas, birthday gift for 1, 2 and 3 1-2-year-old boy-girls. Which Montessori toy would you like to buy on Amazon? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.